Welcome to this moment of stillness. Find a quiet place where you can be undisturbed for just a few minutes. You can choose to sit on a chair with your feet flat on the floor, or you can lie down on your back. Allow your hands to rest gently, and if it feels comfortable, gently close your eyes. There is nothing to achieve, nothing to fix. Take a slow, deliberate breath in through your nose, and let it go with a long, gentle sigh. As you exhale, feel your shoulders drop and your body settle into the support beneath you. Imagine a peaceful green field beneath a tranquil blue sky, your space of inner quiet. You have arrived. Be here with your breath. Just breathe. Now bring your awareness to your feet. If they are on the floor, feel the texture beneath them. Notice the solidness of the earth, holding you steady. Imagine roots growing down from the soles of your feet, extending deep into the soil. You are grounded. You are secure. Notice sensations in your calves, your knees, your thighs. No need to change anything. Simply observe with gentle curiosity. Warmth, coolness, or tingling. With each out-breath, let tightness soften and melt away. Now bring focus to your hands. Feel their weight. Wiggle gently and let them rest. Round, hands, this space, your touchstones. Stay with that. Gently guide your attention to the rhythm of your breath. Do not try to change it or control it. Simply observe. Notice the air entering cool and fresh and leaving slightly warmer. Your breath is like a gentle wave, rising and falling in its own time. Let's add a light count to help the mind settle. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. If 3 is too long or short, adjust to what feels natural. Find where breath feels vivid, nose, chest, or belly, and rest attention. When the mind wanders, gently guide it back to the simple sensation of breathing. Breathe in calm, breathe out stress. Yeah, just rest with that. Widen your awareness to include the sounds around you. Listen with openness, receiving whatever arises without labeling good or bad. Let sounds come and go, simply visitors passing through awareness. They arrive, stay a moment, then depart. You remain the calm, open sky. It's the mind's nature to think. When a thought appears, notice it. Silently say, thinking. Place it on a cloud and watch it drift away. Peace, restlessness, sadness. Meet all with kind acceptance, like passing weather. You are the sky that holds sunshine, clouds, stillness, and storms. Allow feelings without quickness, but space be moved naturally. If the mind wanders 100 times, notice, and return with patience and compassion. Gently let go of the counting and the images. Simply rest with the natural rhythm, your constant companion. You do not need to change anything. You are enough in this moment. Feel the breeze, the light within you. You have cultivated calm. Return to your body, hands, chair, floor. Feel the points of contact, widen hearing to the room. Bring the inner quiet with you. Take one more deep, conscious breath in, and a long, complete release. Introduce gentle movement. Fingers, toes, shoulders, arms, no rush. Offer yourself kindness. May I be calm. May I be kind to myself. Hold this in your heart. Thank yourself for this time. Return to this quiet field anytime, and carry this peace into your day.